back with another video to fight against aging. We're going to be talking about how to treat 4 types of wrinkles. So stay tuned. This information is very important for you to put in practice. So stay tuned. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Hello my lovely friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video and more information to fight against the aging process. But first I'd like to say thank you so much for your beautiful comments and sending you love. And this video is going to be about how to treat 4 types of wrinkles. Years ago it was believed that only 2 types of wrinkles could be treated. But according to information and studies, clinical studies from a Belgian hospital, doctors find out that actually there are 4 types of wrinkles. So the 2 types of wrinkles that was believed to be treated years ago, it was the dynamic wrinkles, which is the movements, the repetition of facial movements that causes the wrinkles. And the other one is the static wrinkles, which is the cause of losing protein fibers such as collagen and elastin. Okay, so let me explain you the types of wrinkles. The first one will be the atrophic, crinkling, right parallel lines. Like I said, it's because of the repetition and the movements that causes to form a wrinkle through the years. Now the second type will be the permanent wrinkles, the static wrinkles that I mentioned. These are more permanent due to the severe loss of collagen and elastin fibers. And the third type will be the parallel lines, expression lines. And the third one will be the folds, the gravity folds that occurs through the years. But there are a lot of reasons why the lines and wrinkles occur, and the sagging and the folds. One of the reasons is sun exposure, oxidative stress, and also smoking, lifestyle, poor diet, lack of exercise, many other reasons. And so for example, smoking, when a person is smoking, the skin is exposed to the chemicals of the cigarette, and plus when you inhale, the body is being deprived of oxygenation, which I had mentioned before. Oxygenation, it is very important to maintain the skin elastic. Now the parallel expression lines are, you know, your forehead, your eyes, your lips, and those are the ones that forms due to the expressions, the repeated facial movements. And the static lines, the more permanent, those are formed in the base of your neck, your cheeks, and your upper lips, and other parts of the body. And so to treat all these type of wrinkles, you need to have internal and external care. That's why I always call it holistic care. Doing in a way that the whole body is being benefit. And so for example, you can treat your skin with anti-aging active ingredients, And first of all, I'm going to start with a sunscreen, SPF. Because when the skin is exposed to the environment, to the sun, you are taking the risks for your skin cells to deteriorate before your time. So premature aging, it's very common due to the exposure of the sun, and also protect your body from the free radicals. It's a must to have antioxidants taken internally and externally, and also levels of cortisol due to the stress. Levels of cortisol really damages your collagen and elastin fibers, and also it depletes the oxygenation in your body. And there are many types of stress that occurs promoting too much cortisol. Lack of sleep will accumulate cortisol in your body, because when you wake up, you're tired, you're stressed, you're irritable, and your patience is more limited. So that's a type of stress that it's very damaging to your skin. And so one product that you could take to lower the cortisol levels is extract of holy basil. You could find it at the health food store. And going back to the active anti-aging ingredients, we're going to mention hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, peptides, niacinamide, panthenol, topically and internally. Panthenol is one of the B vitamins. Stay tuned for a video, because I am talking for my new video. I am talking about the importance of this unique vitamin. So retinols, ceramides, lipids, products formulated with large amounts of ceramides and lipids. If you're using retin-A, okay, you know the side effects of retin-A. Retin-A will thin out the stratum corneum, the outer layer of the skin, due to the extreme dryness that occurs. So in order to prevent that, you need to have a product that has high content of lipids, because while the skin is being treated with retin-A and causing that dryness, you are also depleting the skin lipids, and so the skin will become thinner. And so also it will cause inflammation, the use of retin-A without the proper care, and so inflammation equals to aging skin. Inflammation will age the body. And so another thing you could treat these lines is peels, like glycolic peel, lactic acid peel I recommend, because lactic acid is very hydrating and it's perfect for mature skin. And also other types of masks that helps to clean up those pores and stimulate collagen. I have one here that is by Bliss Company. This is the mask peel Radiance Revealing. This has the fruit concentrates, fruit acid concentrates, and it comes in these little containers. And so you have to what you have to do is mix with water until the paste is smooth, and then apply it on your skin. And it really removes lots of the impurities from the stratum corneum and the outer layer of the skin, to give you that radiance and stimulate collagen. There are so many masks that help to stimulate collagen. This is just an example. You don't have to use this one here. And the treatments with lactic acid is very, very good to maintain the production of collagen. And so, but remember, every time you do a glycolic peel, a lactic acid peel, retinols, retin-A, you have to use lipids products to prevent the excessive dryness of the skin, and take the essential fatty acids internally, and ceramides and other lipids that I had mentioned in other videos. I am going to give you a few examples of what to take to preserve those collagen fibers and elastin fibers. For example, MSM powder, organic MSM powder. This powder right here is excellent to preserve the structure of your keratin, collagen, and elastin. It has other benefits. It's good for your joints, it's good for your hair, makes your hair really shiny, and makes your skin very beautiful, taken internally. It's a kind of a natural, gentle laxative that cleans your intestinal tract. I have made videos about the benefits of MSM. Okay, another thing that you could take, it is the silica BioSeal drops, and I take these when I run out of my silica, macronized silica from my company Collagen and Biologen. And so but this is also good. It's not medical grade like Collagen and Biologen, but it's affordable. You could find it at the health food store, and silica helps to form collagen, helps to build collagen and maintain your joints healthy. This is an excellent product, another product that helps to preserve your collagen. And this is the way it comes in a dropper bottle like this. And I have another one here. This is the marine collagen, and the marine collagen, it's a very good collagen to maintain those fibers elastic and the structure of your skin, and as well as the other type of collagen that comes from beef, also it's very good. I am a vegetarian, so I am just suggesting to you, okay? I take plant collagen from plant sources from Collagen and Biologen. And so this is formulated with vitamin C, which helps to absorb the collagen, and also has hyaluronic acid, and it's hydrolyzed collagen from fish, which is hydrolyzed. It's going to be very absorbable, and also it has the hyaluronic acid at 30 mgs, and this product right here dissolves it really quick. When you mix it with liquid, it really dissolves very fast. And the company name, it is, let me see here, the company name, it is NutriBiotech, NutriBiotech.com. You could find it online. And another thing that I want to suggest to use it externally, we had talked about, you know, peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, what else? The glycolic acid, the pills, the retinol, the retin-A. But I want to suggest an oil that has incredible sources of protein that will give those amino acids into the skin and protect the structure of the skin. Because when the skin loses those amino acids, you lose a structure. Your skin is going to start sagging and wrinkling. And this is the Brazil nut unrefined vegetable oil. It's not just good for your skin, but it's excellent for your hair, for very damaged hair that had lost, you know, the keratin, the protein, the amino acids in the hair shaft. Very, very good. You could find this at Amazon's. That's where I order it. And lastly, I'm going to show you this Belinda botanical treatment oil. This is a fantastic oil because the first ingredient is rice bran oil, which is incredible to promote collagen into your skin. and it comes in this bottle right here. This is actually my second bottle. I love this oil. Belinda, it's called Belinda Botanical Spa Rituals, and let me see, it is a product from Poland, and you could find it, let me see, they don't have a website. Okay, I'll find the website and I will put it in the description box. And another thing I was gonna show you, talking about glycolic product, it is these glycolic formulations that has a 25% of glycolic acid. This is supposed to be used like twice a week. It's super strong, and because it's 25 potency concentration, it comes in this container, and the company name is Glycolic Formulations. This is a night therapy. Remember, when you do pills that are higher than 10%, you actually higher than 5%, use it at nighttime. If you're gonna use 5% glycolic acid, you need to put a SPF, at least SPF 30. But I recommend actually to use glycolic acid products or pills or treatments at nighttime to prevent the pigmentation of the skin when the sun is being, when the skin is being exposed to the sun. And so, yes, and I will put the information of this product too. And this is the video for today. I hope I didn't miss anything. There is so much to explain, and one video I cannot release all the information, but you be blessed and stay gorgeous and healthy, and I will be seeing you in my next video. And it is possible to stay beautiful, healthy, younger, looking younger than your natural age. So stay fabulous, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bye-bye.